Alto ground, Skyhawk 5043 Juliet, run up complete.
Cessna 43 Juliet, hold short of Yankee 1, contact tower.
Hold short Yankee 1, contact tower. Lights,
6 Sierra Alpha, you'll call my base.
We're good to go. Throttle. Airspeed alive. All
the call hang on answered.
Rotate. All right.
That's you, 504.
Let's see. Alto Tower, Skyhawk 5043 Juliet, 900 feet.
Tower 5043 Juliet, St. Carlos Tower, transition to the airspace is approved. Keep the 101 off your right side, St. Carlos altimeter 3009er.
Alicia, how are you doing?
Oh, good.
We're on autopilot right now, we're going straight.
Okay.
The highway is to our right, that's what he wants. I need to go a little bit to the right.
Okay.
And so it's all controlled by this heading knob. Keep going, 297. 297. So that's San Carlos Airport, and Oracle is right in front of it. Alto Tower, Skyhawk 5043 Juliet, pressing transition through the Bravo. We're at 1,900.
Alright, November 5043 Juliet, San Francisco Tower, ident first, altimeter 3009, clear to enter the San Francisco Bravo airspace from the southeast. Maintain VFR below 2000, your radar contact 2 miles west of San Carlos Tower, keep the 101 off the right hand side.
We'll keep the 101 off the right hand side, cleared through the Bravo, visual transition.
So they keep saying keep the 101 off your right side.
Yes, so on my right side. The 101 is this road.
Okay. 2441, contact NorCal.
They don't want me to on the other side because that's where all the airliners are.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
This is incredible.
Yeah, it's very cool.
November 43 Juliet, you can cut over the airport if you want.
We'll cut over the airport. Thank you very much, 5043 Juliet. All right.
Departing for the next 4 minutes.
You are lucky. He wants us to go over the airport. I've never seen this.
Oh,
this
wow.
is amazing.
Yeah, 500, contact NorCal.
Okay.
Woohoo!
Nice.
Okay, I'm glad the cameras are on. We're going to record this. This is the first time I do over San Francisco Airport.
Wow.
Yeah, so we'll go catch 101 over there.
Ah, okay.
We'll just cross over. We're supposed to go that way.
Hey, number 43 Juliet, now just stay west of the 101.
We'll stay west of the 101. Thank you very much. You made our day. 5043.
And Delta 361, San Francisco Tower, wind 25014, runway 2 at right, clear to land.
Clear to land 2 at right, Delta 361.
See it? Comfortable, Alicia?
Oh, I'm good, thank you. This
All right.
is so cool.
Excellent. Officer is probably down there sailing with us. I always look around for him.
Yeah.
And that's the amphitheater. Cut off. Okay. Sounds nice windy day today, but I got it.
Shoulders upper stairs are 60 kilo.
And clear the runway. Excellent. And stop. Okay.